Hey, welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Chelsea. Thank you so much for tuning in. So before you go, if you like it here, please hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon. So today I will be sharing with you guys my apple and shrimps fried rice. Let's get into the video. So first thing, you're going to prepare your meat. If you're using meat, you're using chicken, you're using fish, whatever thing you're using is the same thing. You have to prepare your stock first. So I'm adding seasoning cube to my chicken, adding thyme, curry powder, nutmeg, garlic, and onion. You're just going to stir that together. Then you add a glass of water. Cover that, leave it to cook. These are my ingredients: rice, green beans, apple juice, chicken stock, shrimps, vegetable oil, carrots, apples, bell pepper, red onion, white onion, thyme, garlic powder, curry powder, that's curry for fried rice. I have normal curry, seasoning cubes, and liver. So first thing, you're going to slice your carrot into cubes. To peel your apple, you remove the skin because we don't need the skin. But if you like, you can leave it. So I'm just going to cut the apple into four parts, then remove the seed inside. I'll cut into cubes. That's my red and yellow. Is it yellow or red? White onion, whatever. I'm just going to slice that into cubes as well. Please be careful in case if your knife is very sharp while doing this, so that you don't cut your hand. You guys can see bell peppers there because I have them already in the freezer, that's why. And this is liver. You're just going to slice this into cubes as well. I like it raw, fresh like this because it gives you more flavor. But if you like, you can steam yours before cutting it because cutting it fresh like this is a little bit difficult. Then I'm going to slice apple because I need the juice of my apple for my rice. So I'm just going to blend the apples, add water, then I'll blend. I just leave this to mix, to blend very well. Then I need a sieve. Then I'm just going to filter this to bring out the juice of the apple which is the apple juice. That is my juice. So for my rice, I'm using basmati rice. This rice is very soft. It cooks under 2 minutes. So I'm going to wash it with hot water. In case you are using this rice, you can do the same. But if you're using other rice, you can parboil it first before. But because this rice takes just 2 minutes to cook, I do it like this. Then I put my chicken and my turkey in the oven so that I can grill that. I'm adding my rice to my pot. Then I add the chicken stock. Then the apple juice. I add curry powder. I have 2 different curry. One is fried rice curry and the other one is normal curry. I got this from Nigeria. Then in a pan, I'm going to turn my vegetable oil. So the oil is hot. I lost that clip. You just have to add your red and white or yellow onion. Then you add the liver. You just you need to stir so often, because if you have the kind of pot that burns, you don't need that. So you just need to stir it. The liver is cooked. Then we're going to add the carrot. Just the carrot for now. Then we stir. Add the shrimps. Then now it's not time to add the bell pepper. So right now I am not adding my apples. That will be the last thing I'm going to add to my sauce. You just stir and leave this to cook. Then you add your green beans. After adding the green beans, you have to stir again. Just keep stirring this. Yeah, don't be tired doing this. Then I'm going to add my curry powder, my seasoning cube, thyme, ginger powder, it's a garlic powder, sorry, and thyme. Yeah, I mentioned thyme. Everything in short, you're going to add everything to your veggies. Then you stir again. Be stir, don't be tired stirring. Keep on stir, don't be tired stirring. So we add the apples because you can see that our veggies are cooked. So we're going to add the apple. The apples are the last thing you're going to add to this because we don't want them too soft. That is why I added the apple last. Then you keep stirring. So you add your rice. Remember, your rice, you don't add water when you're preparing your rice, just the apple juice and your chicken stock. If you're using chicken, you're using beef, anything you're using, just the stock and the apple juice. That is all you need. Then you add this to your veggies and just stir. Same thing. Keep stirring. You stir and stir and stir and stir. Don't be tired doing this. Yeah. If you don't want it to burn, in case if you have a pot or a frying pan that is not that good, then you can see I left it to steam a little. I came back and stirring again. Because fried rice, you need it really fried. And that is it. That is my shrimps and apple fried rice. Let me know if you try this. What do you think about it? Let me know on the comment section. Those apples you're seeing there is not just for decoration. You eat that with the rice and it will take you to another level entirely. I'm telling you. I have so many apples at home. I don't know what to do with them. This idea just came to me. Not that I saw it somewhere. I said, why not prepare apple and shrimps fried rice? And that is it. Just try this and let me know on the comment section if you did. And if you find it helpful, leave your comment on the comment section. Please, before you go, if you haven't subscribed, hit on that subscribe button, support your girl and that bell icon. And I will see you guys in my next kitchen. Till then, stay safe. Bye. Love you guys as always. Bye.